everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to focus on cleaning the loft. There is a lot going on here. Got laundry here that's washed and dried. I've got a bed here on the couch that one of my kids slept on the couch and didn't put the blankets away. I've got laundry over here. And when we're cleaning the house, I always teach my kids to, especially when a room is really messy, I tell them to put everything in the center of the room. So everything in the center of the room, I've got a chair, a blanket, doll things, papers, school stuff, laundry. So the reason why I tell them to put everything in the center of the room, that way you see what you have a lot of. Sometimes it's a lot of garbage. Sometimes it's a lot of papers, school stuff, laundry, whatever it is. If you focus on what you have a lot of first, it feels like you're able to clean the room a lot faster instead of picking things up one at a time. It's more efficient to grab all of the same kind of items all at once. So you can't really see from this angle of the video, but I have a lot of garbage over here in the corner, and a lot of it is from our Baby Alive boxing that I did over in the corner. There's a table you see, and I unboxed a doll, and the box from the doll is on the floor. And also my daughter uses this desk for school, and so a lot of her school stuff is on the ground. Some of it can be thrown away, papers that she doesn't need anymore. So that's what I'm doing right now. This blanket was on the desk. I used it in my video, so now I'm just folding it and putting it away. So I'm focusing on blankets right now because I notice I have about 3 or 4. This is number 3 that I'm folding. This is number 4. Now, since I'm doing blankets, I'm focusing on the rest of the laundry that's clean, that's just on my couch. So I've got sheets and towels that I'm folding right now. Now I'm just putting everything away. I also love every time I clean, I like to listen to a podcast or music or a book. And right now I have a podcast that I'm listening to, and it's usually uplifting things that I listen to, and it just helps make the time pass by. My mind's on what I'm listening to and not necessarily the big mess I'm trying to clean. So I like that a lot. So now I put the camera closer to the desk. This is some of the supplies my daughter uses for school. I'm just helping her organize her things a little more. So I've got a lot of crayons and colored pencils. I'm organizing better for her. My house is nice and quiet. My husband took the kids to the park so they could ride skateboards and bikes. And sometimes that's nice that they're not helping me. Sometimes I have them help. Sometimes it's easier to get a job done on my own. I can do it quicker. But I also spend days teaching them how to clean and organize so that they know how to do it. Today, I enjoyed doing it by myself. Now I'm wiping the dust off of these shelves. I love using the Target Method wood cleaner. It smells so good. The flavor is, or I should say the scent is almond. But it does a really nice job at freshening things up and taking the dust off. And I don't know if you can see from here, but this desk is fairly new. It's brand new. We've had it for a few months, but we've never completely, I guess, taken the tags off. You can see a tag on one of the drawers and a tag in the back of the shelf. I love them. I need to find some stuff to decorate, but we're not quite sure how we want to decorate up here. So for now, they just stay empty. And we're not sure, but I think we're gonna get rid of these couches. Now I'm washing the desk that my daughter uses. It's not a desk, it's like a table with a bleach cleaner. But I think we're gonna take these couches and give them away and bring the couches that are downstairs upstairs and get something new, something different, I should say, for downstairs. We've got plans for downstairs. We want to change things a little bit, make it feel a little nicer, but we'll see. Now I'm washing the TV with a Windex and a paper towel. This is a really old TV. It's been a wonderful TV. We got it when I was pregnant with my 14-year-old. So we've had it for over 14 years. It's been wonderful. We're pretty sure though any day it's going to stop working because it's old and it's starting to do funny things. Not turn off when you're trying to get it to turn off, or you have to press a few times the button to make it turn on, but it's all good. Now I'm going to vacuum. I love this vacuum. We've had it for a really long time and it works so well. It's one of the Dyson vacuums. So in this bag, I'm putting a bunch of clothes that doesn't fit my kids anymore. And so we'd like to donate them. And it's been about a week. As I clean out my kids' drawers or do laundry, I'm getting rid of things that I know don't really fit them very well. So that's what this is. And then these are our kids' Halloween costumes that they wore this year. I'm going to save those because they like to play dress up, but I'm going to keep them in the garage. That feels so much better because there was a pile of clothes there for about a week and it bothered me every time I walked past this area. Now I can vacuum over there and it'll feel so good, nice and clean. Look at everything. It feels so good. So good. So much better. It even smells better. Well, if you've made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. In my next video, I'm going to clean my girls' room. Their dresser drawers need to be cleaned out and their floors vacuumed and everything dusted and sheets and blankets, everything cleaned. Organize some of their clothes in their closet, so stay tuned for that.